friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and trusting God you all are fine. Recently I was helping one of my friend to add a binder on her quilt, and I thought I could share with my friends some techniques on YouTube and social media. So our today project is a quilt binding, corners, techniques and much more. As you can see, this project is very nicely turned out, and I'm so excited to share with you guys how I did that. So let's go ahead and start it our today project. Okay, so the first technique which I wanted to show you, I have two strips here, and I want to show you how we gonna join them together like this on angle way. Mostly this technique we use on quilt. So you can see that how we have divided our the line from center to, like, when you attach with your quilt, it's go like on it's like a divided on a line, not like stay on a one side like a big bulk. So that's how you do it. So the next step for binding our binder on a quilt, we are using from our binder from center, not from a side way. We are using from center, and we're gonna start stitching actually from back to front. If you are not doing a hand sew for neatness, because I'm doing with all machine, so I'm doing this from back to front. So simply I'm gonna leave like a 4 inches in a center tail. How about just start from this attachment, okay, and then simply we're just gonna start sew. We're gonna start sew, and then when I'm nearby corner, I will show you how to make neat corner fold too. So let's head to our sewing machine. Okay, so after sewing our binding from sides, now I have a 8 to 10 inches opening spot, and I have a tails from both sides, and I will show you how to close these binders. So the simply just bring your That's how we're gonna do our, after placing them on top of each other, then attach your pins. And we are good to sew on top of this line. All right, just make sure this line is lining up on your back line. You can see that. You can see the pins on the back line is on the same on a pin of front side. So simply we are just sewing. Taking off our pins, and before cutting the fabric, how about just check it out if this really work. And as you can see, it does work. See that? So I have two corners here because the one was already sewed here. Simply we're just gonna iron it little bit, and then we will cut our fabric, and that will be perfect. And I'm going to show you after cutting the extra fabric how nicely it's, you know, the adjust in a center. Now simply we're just going to sew on the top of, you know, the leftover area which we leave unstitched, and then I will show you how we're going to turn the corners, and we will sew from the top. Okay, so if you remember, we had leave our corner like this triangle. So now I will show you what the next part is. If you see my sewing videos, I always teach you to, when it's come to corners or like your curves, you have to trim your fabric so you can have a clean edges, you know. Sewing machine now. We're gonna continually sew. I will show you when I come around the corner. Just keep your needle in and then fold your quilt on this side. Again, start. And I must show you, after finishing this, it's very nicely neat and clean binding. That's how we have finished our quilt today. You can trim the extras threads. You see the corners? How beautifully they are folded. And even the back, I try to have a clean stitch. The front is nice as well. Thank you so much for watching our today project, and if you really like our today video, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. God bless you all and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.